Welcome to SDS Tutorial Center. My name is Raphael Chuku. It might interest you to learn that we've been able to put together a tutorial guide where you can actually follow and learn this lesson properly. So make your own offer. We're going to get the tutorial guide to you. So today we are going to look at Microsoft Word, what we will be able to use it to do. So we are going to be following this tutorial on a structured method, because we wouldn't want to take it just anyhow. We want it to be very structured so that you can follow it step by step. So these is a masterclass protocol tutorial on Microsoft Word. So you can take when you get our tutorial, you will be able to go through these things, read them, and then understand them. Then you here, this area, you can see in Microsoft Word environment there are distinct features that can help you get your job easily done. They include the title bar, the menu bar with its menu items like the home menu, the insert menu, the design, the page layout, the references, and the rest of them. So let's go get into the practical proper. So I'm going to show you around the environment of Microsoft Word. So if you look at this environment, if you can see my mouse pointer moving about, so we are at the title bar. The topmost bar there is called the title bar. You can see the title of this document, Microsoft Word Tutorial 2013. At the right hand side, top right, you can see the close button, the restore button, the minimize button, and then at the top left, you can see the Microsoft Word icon with the shortcut for save and then undo and then redo, all those things. Then you can see the menu. You can see them, the menu items, the home, the insert, the design. You can see the formatting tools. They are all under the home menu. You can see that the home menu is the menu that is highlighted. So this is the file menu. You see the things under the file menu. You go to insert menu, you will see the ribbon. The ribbon will drop. You will see the items that are under the insert menu. You see the design. You can see that they are quite distinct. All of them are not the same. Each menu item has its own features and functionalities. So you see the page layout menu. You can see the things that you can use the page layout menu to do: the references, the mailings, the review, the view, and of course, when you have a picture in your document, you will see format menu right here. We're going to get to that, but for a start, we are going to begin with the home menu. So I'm going to open a new document where we are going to be doing the practical. At the end of the day, you must have learned something. Okay, now topic 1, the home menu. In this topic, you will learn how to use cut, copy, and paste. You also learn how to use font style and size and color, text appearance like bold, italics, and underline, change case, changing from capital letter to small letter and all that, super and subscript, text effect, shading, text alignment, bullet and numbering, line and paragraph spacing, text borders, text indentation, sorting, ascending and descending, find and replace, clear or formatting. So these are the things you are going to find under the home menu, and I'm going to teach you all that right away. So let's start from cut. Okay, cut is used to move items from one place to another. Okay, before we go into those things, I'm going to show you how to type in a document. That is how to create a document, because it's actually a document that I've created that you're going to use these features to format, that is to get them into the desired appearance that that you want. So how do you type into Microsoft Word? Okay, let me open a new document, a blank document. So Control N will actually open a new document. That's when you hold down your Control key on your keyboard and you press N, the letter N on the keyboard. It will open a blank new document. Or you go to File menu, you click on New. You can see New here. Okay, any of them, the two, Control N. That's what I've done. You see. So we now have document 3. Here you can see document 3. We are no longer in the tutorial document. So as you can see, a new document will come with a cursor blinking. Can you see the cursor blinking here? That means that this is the insertion point. Insertion point is the area of the page where a new input will fall. That is the area of the page where your text will start, where you start typing. So now what do you want to type? My name is Raphael Chuku. You start combining the keys on your keyboard. And make sure when you want to start with the capital letter, you see you have your caps lock on your keyboard. It's usually by the left side of your keyboard. You see it caps lock. When you press it, it will turn on the capital letter. You see, it's all capital letter. Backspace is usually at the top right on your keyboard. It will be written backspace, so you can use it to wipe. So I'll type my name. As you can see, you have seen it. Okay, there's a mistake there, Raphael. I'll go back. You see, I'm moving my mouse to where I need to put E in between A and L. I'll click. You see the cursor will start blinking there. That place is now the insertion point. So I intentionally made this mistake so that you understand what I mean by insertion point. So the new E I'm going to type now is not going to enter here after Chuku or after the last U or before the first R, but it's going to come after this A or before L, where this cursor is blinking. You can see the cursor blinking. Wherever the cursor is blinking is called the insertion point. You now type E. You see, Raphael Chuku, that's my name. So this is typing, how to create a document. You can continue to create, and then when you want to go to the next line, you can just when you want to go to the next line, you press enter on your keyboard. It's called the return key. You press it, it will break to the next line. You see the cursor is now on the next line under, and you can see the insertion point there. So now, because we tried to learn how to use the cut feature, so let's go back to our see, cut is used to move items from one place to another. You can use it to transfer items from one page to another or within a page without leaving a duplicate. You understand it? Without leaving a duplicate. Use cut to transfer items, either text or picture or clip art, from one place to another, either within the page or to another page or to another document, without leaving a duplicate. That means that cut will actually take what you have cut without leaving a duplicate and place it where you want to paste it. So when you use cut, you are going to use paste to drop what you have cut. So how do you perform the cut operation? You see, our tutorial is detailed with graphics. You can see the direction. So to perform the cut operation, highlight the item to be cut, go to home menu and click. Okay, I'm not going to be reading all this. I'll just show you what to do when you want to do cut. I'm going to go back to our workplace. This is our workplace. I want to take this Raphael Chuku. Okay, let me put another name. Okay, Chuku Naji. Okay, so I want to repeat, I want to carry this Raphael Chukwu. Maybe Raphael Chukwu is not supposed to be the first name on the list, it's supposed to be the second name. So what I'm going to use is cut. Okay, I will highlight it by dragging my mouse across the text. I will locate cut feature. You can see it here. You can see the cut here. You see copy here. You see paste here. I'm going to use this cut symbolized with scissors. I'll click on cut. You see, he has taken it. He has taken the text. I will now go to where I'll paste it. I've told you earlier that if you want to move to the next line, you're going to use enter key or return key. Your enter key will break the line to the next line. Okay, I'll press enter key. I'll still show you where a situation where you're going to use movement key, that is arrow key, arrow up and arrow down. I'll also show you the situation where they will apply. So I will now do Control V. Control V is paste, or you go to paste. Look at my pointer at the top right, top left. You see paste, or you do Control V. As you can see, Control V, paste. You see, we have achieved cut and paste. Cut and paste. Right away, I'm going to do copy as well. Copy is similar to cut, but slightly different. Copy will make a duplicate of the text or the object, while cut will not make a duplicate. Okay, if I want to duplicate Raphael Chukwu here, I will copy it. I'll highlight. I'll go to copy. You see, symbolized with a double icon, copy. I'll click on it, or you do Control C. Control C is copy. I'll go to where I want to paste it. I'll do Control V, is always paste. You see, I can paste this in as much as I want. You see, Control V is pasting. Or I'll be clicking on paste, the same thing. So I hope you understand this one. So okay, let us see what next we have here. Okay, we've done cut, we've done copy. Then in our next lesson, I'm going to show you font style. Thank you. Make sure you make an offer for our well-structured tutorial, our masterclass book, so that you can follow properly. Thank you. This is coming from SDS Tutorial Center, Silverlight Digital Solutions. My name is Raphael Chukwu. Thank you.